Hi, my name is Mario Cirillo. I found LeafFilter on Facebook and they had really good reviews. And I ended up calling him. The salesman was very informative. He talked to me about all the good deals that they had, all the available options that I had for my leaf filters. And he looked at my gutters and he evaluated it and he gave me a really fair, honest opinion, a fair price. When I made the appointment for the installer to come out, the installer did a great job. He told me what he was going to do. He came and he looked at my gutters. He explained the process the whole way through. He was very friendly. I didn't have to wait. He was on time. And they explained that if I ever had a problem with my gutters, they'd be right out and fix the problem without any questions asked. Lifetime guarantee. I was very, very happy. When we had a storm, I checked the flow in my gutters and it was the best flow I've ever had for a long time. The water was flowing right out of the gutters and I was so happy seeing the water come out of the spout like that. I hadn't been that strong for a long time, but I was really happy when we had a storm. I was almost really hoping that we'd have a storm so I could try out the gutters. And once the storm came, I couldn't believe the amount of water that was coming out of those gutters. And I looked at the top of my leaf filters. I got on a ladder and I saw that nothing could go down the holes, just like the salesman told me. They're great.